Hello students, welcome to KR Lakman Memorial CBSE School, Kudu. This is your 4th standards English class. I am your Akshita. Yes. Okay students, in last class we have completed one grammar topic, that is conjunction. So we knew that what is conjunction and how many kinds are there in conjunction, and there are two kinds. One is coordinate conjunction, one is subordinate conjunction, and how these two conjunction they are used we came to know, and we also dealt with the exercise also. So now it is time to shift towards the lesson. So now let us see the lesson. So open your book, page number 13. So page number 13. Page number 13. So now in page number 13 you have a new lesson, new unit, that is know your teeth. So it is about our teeth. So tooth in the sense it's a singular, tooth antandre hallu, teeth in the sense hallugalu. So we have to know, we all the human beings we have a teeth. So we have to know something about our teeth. So here in this lesson they have given something about some things they want us to know about the teeth. So they have given about some instructions, some specialities, some things about the teeth. So let us start the lesson. So before going to the lesson, which is our lesson? Yes, know your teeth. Know your teeth. So know your teeth is our lesson. So here we have to, before starting the lesson, first which thing we would do, would be aware of? Yes, about the new words. So let us have the new words of our teeth. Know our teeth. So new words. So, do you know what is teeth? Yes, plural form of teeth. Hallugalu, teeth in the sense, okay? Teeth. Yes. No, gottirodu. No, new. No, gottirodu. No, new, no. So, third one. Cut in the sense we know, kattarisodu. Yes. So students, you know the meaning of cut, but you have to be aware of the spelling. Okay. Cut. Okay. Chew in the sense agiyodu. So we eat the food by chewing. ಸೊ ಹಲ್ಲಿನಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ಅಗೀತೀವಿಲ್ಲ, ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿಂತೀವಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಚೀವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಚೀವ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಮಾತು. ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ deliver, that is known as a speech. Next word, certain, exact, some. Certain in the sense exact or some, exact. Sound we know, we have to know the meaning of sound. Properly, speak in the sense maatadodu. Speak, spoken. You will come to know in the word form in grammar section. Okay. Properly in the sense in correct way. Properly in the sense correct way. babies. So plural of baby is babies. So next, about, male butler. Next word, begin. Begin in the sense start. Begin means start. Grow. Very young. Growing up. Very young. Half. Half we know. We should know the spelling of half. Okay. Next. Jaws. See this portion which helps us to move our mouth. This portion is known as a jaw. Okay. This portion. Jaw. Okay students. So take these words first, and after taking these words we have some more words in this lesson, new words. So those new words we will come to know after taking these words. First take it down first. Take it down students. Yes. Okay. So let us move towards the other words. Milk teeth. So milk teeth ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಹಾಲು ಕಲ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾವೆ. So which teeth it falls and comes again. So which teeth ಸಣ್ಣವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹಲ್ಲು ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಟೀತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So next word, child. Child in the sense the singular form of children is child. Mamu. Taking the place of another one. Set. Set is set. Permanent. Permanent. Next word. Lower. Lower in the sense below. Below. ಕೆಳಗಿನ. Upper. Upper. Upper side. ಮೇಲಿನ. Front. Front in the sense ಮುಂದಿನ. So see students, so many words are, new words are here. So what you have to do, you have to by heart the spellings. It is must, by hearting the spelling size must to you. You have to do that one. Okay? Okay. Incisors. Incisors. So the teeth which fall and comes again, that those teeth are known as incisors. Okay. So not the teeth in front teeth which cut the food, that in the sense 4 sharp teeth. So those 4 sharp teeth are known as called as canines. Canines. Okay. Molars. So molars in the sense the teeth which we use to chew the food. So ಯಾವ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, so these portion the backward teeth next to the canines teeth, those are known as molars. Okay. Wisdom. Jnana. Next word is appear. Appear in the sense ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. Until ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ತನಕ until. So take these words, students. Few more words are there in this lesson. We will take those words after taking this. Take it down. Yes, students. So let us move towards the next words. Next words are divide. Making parts, divide in the sense tooth. Tooth in the sense singular form of teeth is tooth. Inside, ಒಳಗಡೆ. Gums, the lower part where the teeth they have inbuilt inside the gum. So this part is known as gum. So this part is where the teeth they have rooted. That part is known as gum. Root, ಬೇರುಗಳು. Crown, mouth crown. So this part is known as mouth crown. So in the lesson we will come to know is mouth crown. Enamel. So enamel, the portion which is the upper layer of the teeth is known as enamel. Upper layer of the teeth is known as enamel. Substance. Cause presents the reason. Toothache, the ache, the pain in the teeth is known as toothache. Decay. Decay means gradual destruction. So ಕ್ರಮೇಣ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋದು. So reducing. Decay in the sense reduce. Clean. bacteria, bacteria, practical, practicals, sugar, sugar, acid, acid, sugar, acid. So take these words first, and few words are remaining here. We will see those words also. So first take it down. Okay students, so let us move towards the next words. Another few words are there, only few words are there, few words are left. So let us know those few words also. Sugar, acid, form, strong, strong, daily, eating, visit, means meet. Purpose meeting is known as visit. Dentist, so the doctor who treats the tooth are known as a dentist. Twice, the time is two times. Nothing. Next one is wrong. So these are the new words. See students, here so many new words are there in this lesson. So what you have to do? You have to read all the new words and you have to by heart the new words. So take it down, and in next class we will start the lesson. So first take it down students. Okay students, in this class we came to know about the new words of the lesson, second lesson, that is know your team. So in this lesson we came to know the new words. So in next class we will start the lesson. So let we meet in the next class.